Last night, Jorge and I went outside to the coop and covered it and put a heating pad in there, plate actually, and I closed them off in the actual coop to kind of keep the heat in. So I'm gonna go and get that uncovered and check the water. I'm assuming the water is gonna be frozen. So I have enlisted a bigger container for my water today. They were kind of screaming at me, which is very understandable. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of readjust the heater because the heater that I have is kind of in front of the door. I did that because it was easier for me to get in there. Out they go. Come with me and see if we can check on the chickens. Sorry about that, my phone froze and actually shut off the first time around. So I've already unfrozen that water 3 times. Let's do it again. I'm actually gonna let them out. It's not great outside, but I'm gonna let them out. At least the water inside is nice and warm. But I gotta get some more water so I can get it warmed up, so I can kind of help it along. But they're gonna go be out there just kind of enjoying.